Hi, I'm Tracy, and I want to introduce you to the Fieldbrook 2 collection from American Tourister. American Tourister, the official luggage of the Walt Disney World Resort in Disneyland, believes travel should be fun. We take the worry out of travel so you can focus on more important things. Perfect for any traveler, the Fieldbrook 2 collection is ultra lightweight and super durable. You will be sure to enjoy this luggage for years, as this collection is made from rugged polyester and features protective bumpers. This collection is available in 3 different sets that offer everything you will need for your travels. They may include 21 and 25-inch uprights, a wheel duffel, and a boarding bag. Travel with bold colors. Fieldbrook 2 is available in purple gray, red black, and black. Check out these amazing features. Push-button locking handle makes traveling simple. Plenty of packing space, take it all with you. Stay organized with multiple exterior and interior pockets. For easy travel, the boarding bag includes a smart strap that slides over the upright handles. The Fieldbrook 2 collection from American Tourister is ideal choice for family travel. Wherever you go, whomever you're with, we want to make sure you pack more fun.